Hi, I'm hoping to make a quick video to describe how to watch a math video. This can go for any math video, but I think it works for mine in particular. There's some tips to follow. The first and most important is to treat each video like you're in class. Have out notes, sit up straight, don't listen to music or chat with your friends or your haters. Treat it like you're in class and like it needs your focus and needs your attention, because it does. Next. Pause and rewind, and do this lots. One of the advantages to having a video lesson, is if you need to pause something because you get distracted or interrupted, you can. And if you miss something and want to go back and rewind and watch it again, you can. Do this a lot. You can't do that when you're in class. You get distracted, teacher talks, you miss something, you maybe don't want to raise your hand and ask him to repeat it. Sometimes you miss things in class, but you don't have to miss things in a video. You can rewind it and watch. Sometimes you need to see something more than once because it was confusing or because it was complicated or because you just want to see it again. And sometimes, rarely, the stuff that I said is really funny and you want to go hear it again. And this has actually never happened. Other things, follow the pen as well as my voice. So you can see up here, like right now I'm on the pointer tool to move things around, but I can jump over to my pen and I can change the color of my pen, and I know that white box can be kind of glaring the first few times, so I apologize, and change the size of my pen. But you want to be able to see the stuff that I'm doing. And so like I write out some equation, and I like to do the work in a separate color, so you can keep track of what's what, and the results I'm going to keep in the original color. I don't do this all the time, but I do it a lot of the time. But the point is, try and see what I'm touching so that you can see what it is that I'm doing. So in this case, x equals 10/3. You can tell now I'm going to be erasing something, and now I'm going to be graphing something. And here I can pull up equations, or here I can pull up shapes. But if you can see the pen, I try to touch what it is that I'm talking about. So I'll be like, the 3x here drops down to the 3x here, and I subtracted 2 from both sides. And I try to touch the thing that I'm talking about, so you can follow what it is that I'm doing. Next, when instructed to pause a video and do a problem, actually do that. Like seriously, if it says pause, and I'll say like, okay, now pause this real quick and try it, and we'll start talking very quickly because you can actually pause it. I don't need to wait. But you should actually pause it and do it. You will find that so helpful. I know that the complacency and the laziness will set in after a while, and you will think, oh, he's just going to show me how to do it in 2 seconds anyways. Can't I just see it? But it is so much better for you if you try it first. It'll prepare you for quizzes and tests. It'll teach you how to struggle and how to learn things, and really it just like gives your brain a slot to put something when you learn it. Like if you try to do a problem and you can get maybe a third of the way through it and you're stuck somewhere, well now you know where you tend to get stuck and what it is you need to learn, and that is valuable information for you, but just for your brain to process. Actually pause and do problems. There are time jumps posted below in the video description, so you can jump forward to things that you want to see. It's very helpful. Please refer to that. There's lots of info down there in the description usually. If links are provided, they're probably worth checking out. So yeah, do that. And finally, feel free to leave me. I'm sorry, this keeps jumping down below. Feel free to leave comments with questions or corrections down below, or email me. The info is posted down below. I'm happy to take any question or answer anything or help however I can. Thank you for watching, and I'm really excited to get going. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. There can be questions about the video you saw here or anything else in math I'm happy to help with. Subscribe if you'd like to watch more videos or see other updates as they come. I'm going to try to run through all of Algebra 2 Trig and then eventually hit more classes like Algebra 1 and Geometry and Pre-Calc and everything else. If you have questions about stuff covered that's not in this video, still let me know. I'm happy to help. And finally, if you're not one of my students taking the class, but you found the video and are watching it, or maybe you're a teacher and are watching it, you can buy the curriculum and buy the worksheets to go through it. That's found at the website listed down below also. So again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.